Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last session we learned how to identify duplicate records in a database. But what's next? Today we'll take it a step further and learn how to remove duplicate records while keeping the original intact. Duplicates can cause inconsistencies in your data, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Checking the table. Before removing duplicates, let's first check our table to see where they exist. Here we can see multiple records for Sarah Wilson. These duplicates might be due to system errors, data migration issues, or manual mistakes. Let's clean them up. Step 2. Detecting duplicates using CTE. To identify these duplicate records, we'll use a common table expression, CTE. Great. The query ran successfully and we can see Sarah Wilson appearing multiple times, confirming the duplicates. Step 3. Removing duplicates using CTE and row number. Now let's remove the duplicates while keeping just one original entry. Using a CTE with the row number function, we assign a unique row number to each record and delete the extras. Let's run the query. Success. The duplicate records have been removed. Step 4. Verifying the results. Before we move forward, let's verify the changes by running a select query. Perfect. Now we have only one record for Sarah Wilson. To be extra sure, let's rerun our CTE to confirm that no duplicates remain. And there we have it, our table is clean. Let us discuss our query in details. The common table expression, CTE, named duplicate records is created using a with clause. Inside this CTE, we use the row number function to assign a unique row number, row num, to each record. The partition by clause groups records that have the same name, subject, marks, and gender. Within each group, the row number function orders records based on student ID. This ensures that each duplicate entry gets a distinct row number, while keeping the first occurrence as row num =1 and marking subsequent duplicates with row num greater than 1. After identifying duplicate records, the delete statement is executed on the student's table. It removes records where row num greater than 1, ensuring that only the first occurrence of each duplicate entry remains while others are deleted. Only unique records remain in the student's table. Duplicates based on name, subject, marks, and gender are removed while retaining one original entry. Now, let's explore another method to remove duplicate records, using delete with join. Before that, let us enter the duplicate value again. Let us check whether the duplicate value is there or not. Now we can start writing query to remove duplicates using delete and join. This method is useful when we have a self-join scenario where we match the table against itself to identify and delete duplicates. Let us write the query then. We're using a self-join, meaning we're joining the student's table with itself. Here, S1 and S2 are just aliases for the same table. We match records that have the same name, subject, marks, and gender. This helps us find duplicates based on these 4 attributes. The where condition ensures we only delete duplicate records where the student ID is different. This way, one copy remains while others are removed. Alright, let's execute this query. Running, and done. Our query has run successfully. Now let's do a final verification to make sure our table is clean and free of duplicates. And yes, everything looks perfect. No more duplicate records and our data remains accurate. That's it for today. And that's it. Now you know how to clean up duplicate data using SQL. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more SQL tutorials. Catch you in the next video.